Hello, fourth grade. This is our last problem, problem 10 of our review. Let's go ahead and activate our web paint and get started with this problem. I like to mark up my text as I read. Mrs. Jackson's fourth grade class created a garden at school. They had 56 feet of wood to outline their rectangular garden. If they used all of the wood, draw a model that could be the dimensions of the garden in feet. Okay, so firstly, I've got an outline. Well, outline is perimeter. So I know I have perimeter. And remember what I said? Let's always write the formula for perimeter right away. So perimeter for a rectangle is 2 length plus 2 width. Then I want to draw a model. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a rectangle. And I'm going to be labeling my length and my width once I figure it out. I do know that we have 56 feet of wood and we have to use all of it. So the perimeter has to be 56 when I'm done. Now, the tricky part about this is figuring out what the actual dimensions are. My suggestion is guess and check. And what I would just do is simply pick a value that you think might work in this scenario. Well, we have 56, so I have to pick a number smaller than 56, and I have to think there are 4 pieces of wood. So I know that, I need to pick a number that's close to 1/4 of this, or maybe a little bigger than that for my length. Remember, it said could be. So I can pick a number, and if it works for both sides, then that can work. I don't have to have an exact number. I'm basically picking something that could work. So I'm going to try 20, a length of 20. Let's just say and see what happens. So 2 L's, so that'd be 20 plus 20. And plus 2W equals 56. Sometimes it can really help just to draw a quick strip diagram. So I'm going to draw one. My 2 lengths and then my 2 widths. And I said I'm going to have my 2 lengths be 20 and 20. And we don't know what these pieces are yet. And my total is 56. So let's go ahead and figure this out. So 20 plus 20 is 40. And to find out what I have left, I'm going to have to subtract 56 minus 40. So that's 6, and then 1, 16. I have 16 left for this part. So I have two W's equals 16. So I have to divide 16 by 2. So I'm going to make this into a problem. 16 divided by 2. And I happen to know my math facts, so I do know that 2 times 8 is 16. I'm just going to verify. And with my long division, and you'll see it is. So my length in this case could equal 8. This would equal 20. So 8 plus 8 is 16. 20 plus 20 is 40. 16 plus 40 does equal 56. So this is a possibility. You now get to try your last problem on your own. Good luck.